Me like story lo one bla experience blow tight can how God can protect him. One is something and belong him. He got one bla cousin blow me and own him several fleets of vehicles. I'm got him on bla transport business. Na emsa also written him tight blow God. Na even got one bla time all money belong him work lo lose. Na this la place him work lo put him money ya. All operational money that's all work lo lose, but tight money no work lo lose. So all start lo work him some like investigation. Na eventually I'm find him out of some one plot belong all picking in all narapla all family at all work lo help him lo work him walk lo car na all business belong him ya. One plot belong all and work lo use him some pla black or murana. And work lo kind of some time him go look some money or no work lo look him. Na time him work lo go. This la place where tight money am stop lo same la half where all narapla operational money to am stop. Was I'll put him together lo place em sa keep him all money belong him. But time isla mangi em go em work lo kiss him tas all operational money em no touch him tight money. Na em eventually find out na em brukim lekan bro isla mangi na kareng bo lokim lo sell. But lesson me line him lo this plus story emosem. How na mangi use him like mura power lo devil na em go na em no look him. Basically God blind him high belong him na em no look him tight money. Em only look him this operational money. So lesson me line him emosem. One is something em lo God by always protect him. So time me faithfully behind him na me return him one is something em rightfully belong him. Na you may try to live him life me according to like him belong him. Na you may come up belong him God by always protecting you. God by literally blind him high lo Satan too. So em really story belong me lo at least give him some encouragement or some God I belong him in no pass. One is something me walk him and walk lo look stuff. Thank you, em that's all really story belong me